Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to upgrade your subscription plan with OpenArt. So, let us begin. To get started, open your web browser and go to openart.ai. If you are new to the platform, don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out the link video below for a seamless account setup. And if you're already an OpenArt user, all you need to do is log in to access your personalized dashboard. Now, on the right side of the screen, next to the Create button, you will see your user icon. Click on it and then select Subscriptions. Then click on OpenArt Subscription Plans. This will then take you to a page where you can explore the different OpenArt subscription plans. OpenArt offers 4 distinct plans to cater to your needs. Let's take a closer look. First is the free account, which I'm using right now. What's incredible about their free account is that it comes with 100 free credits. Most other websites offer only 5 credits, so having 100 is truly generous. Next is the starter plan, priced at $7.99 per month. With this plan, you get a whopping 5,000 credits each month, which is a substantial upgrade from the free account. You also gain access to all the other AI tools available. Then there's the hobbyist plan, coming in at $15.99 per month. This is actually the most popular plan, and for good reason. It provides you with a staggering 15,000 credits monthly, which is perfect for those with higher usage. Everything included in the starter plan is also available here, making it an excellent value. Last but not the least, there's the Pro plan, priced at $31.99 per month. This plan is perfect for businesses or heavy users. Why? Because it offers unlimited credits, meaning you can generate up to 1,000 images a day if you desire. It includes all the features from the hobbyist plan as well. Here's a money-saving tip. If you opt for the yearly plan instead of the monthly one, you can save approximately 20% on your subscription. So, if you plan to use OpenArt for the long term, especially for business purposes, I highly recommend going with the yearly plan. It's a smart way to cut costs. Once you have made your choice, simply click on Subscribe. Follow the prompts to provide payment information, and then complete the process. Congratulations, you are now subscribed to your chosen OpenArt plan. Upgrading your subscription plan with OpenArt opens up a world of possibilities. Whether you're using it for creative projects, professional work, or simply to explore your artistic side, the enhanced capabilities and increased credits will empower you to do more. So go ahead and consider upgrading your OpenArt subscription today. It's an investment in your creative endeavors and a gateway to unlimited potential. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and until next time.